Enjoy making this flavorful recipe as we dive into crafting a delightful brownie cake. Begin by melting dark chocolate, integrating it smoothly with butter. Lightly whisk eggs with sugar and a pinch of salt. Blend in flour and cocoa powder until you achieve a uniform mixture. Combine the chocolate and egg mixtures thoroughly. For shaping, divide the batter evenly between 2 rings or use a larger pan if necessary. Bake until the brownie is perfectly moist. While it cools, whip up the cream by mixing cream cheese, heavy cream, and powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. Enhance half the cream with extra dark chocolate for a twist. Layer your cake, adding cream in between for a luscious finish. Check the description for full details.